Hello and welcome to the Real-Time Forex Trader. We are here scalping euro dollar. It is 16:52 in the afternoon in London. This is the IG trading platform. We've got a number of shorts on now. The market was run up to just short of 107 earlier. I've got some shorts on near the top. Some I've already taken off and scalped. It's just grinding down again. Here we go. Really, I'm looking for an opportunity for it to get overextended, close out, and then put them back on a bit higher. So I think it might. I think it might bounce off the 60 level. It might bounce down here again. No, it's gone through. Oh wow, 62. So it made 62 there. 61.8 is about 62. So it pulled back 5 pips from that, 4 pips. But it does look like it's going to grind off. So 60.9. Oh, there we go. Right. There we go. So look, that was your one to close out at. Well extended away from the trend line. It's got a long way away. Bang. Close out a few in profit. Put them back on. Put them back on there probably. There would be even better. Anyway. Market grinding off. So it's got to break 60 yet. My break even 62.6. So we've been there a couple of times. Bang. We're here again. Now the question is it going to bounce off this level of 60? Or is it going to go through it this time? I would have thought it could well pull back from this level of 60. Really could. Right, so 61.5. We're just getting down to 60. Is there going to be any buying at this level? So we could have closed at 61.5. Hasn't really. It wasn't low enough to close at. We'd have wanted to be closing at 60 or lower. It's pulled back a bit, but it's not enough. Here we go. It's getting a bit lower. 61s. It might just be worth letting this run. There we go. Look, we're in the 59s. Now, look, now that's a bit away from there. So 59.5 it was there. I would have said that's probably a good chance there, 59.5 to close out and wait for a pullback. But who knows? No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. So we're down to 58. This is, if this carries on grinding down to 50, we'll get hit and filled. I'm tempted to take some of them off now. Where this is falling away nicely. Is it going to run down to 50? Where are you going? And down here again. 57. What did it get to? 56.2. You know, I thought you could probably get them back on around here. Yeah, see, look how much it's pulling back, 7 pips. There's one we'll have on. And we should probably take that off at, so what did I get for it? 59.5. We could take 56 on that. Didn't get there, did it? 0.5. Right, we'll just wait for the next wave of sellers. I should have probably closed some of them out. That's already nearly a pip in profit. I'm just waiting for the next leg lower. We could start closing some of these out. Here we go, that's getting close to getting filled. 1 pip away, 1.2 pips away. Should have probably had the 2 pips on it there. That was an easy scalp. Just looking for it to drop that next leg, really. So, just looking for the market to grind lower. I wonder if it's going to pull back from this 56 again. You know, it's forming up down here. We're still only 1 pip on that one. Right, where you go? Ah, look, here we go. Yeah, that will get filled any second now. Surely. We're half a pip away. Half a pip away with 30 seconds to go. There we go. So that's filled. Oh, damn it. I wanted to take those off just before 5 and I was too slow hesitating. There we go. Now, get that one on there. What I don't want is it pulling a long way off the bottom. There we go. This might get filled. What did I get? 57.8. Oh, God, that would only be a pip and a bit. Anyway, pip and a bit's a pip and a bit. Yeah, we're going to get another pullback from this 56 level. There we go. Filled. Is it going to pull back up off this again? So basically, it's having trouble getting near 55. So what did it make that time? 55.7. We might have got 56. Probably could have managed 56.2. It's down here again. To be honest, we could have that one off at 49 if it touches it. Again, it's about taking risk off the table. See, we're here again. It does look like it'll break lower. There we go. So now we're into 55s. Right. is it going to grind down to 50? That's what we're targeting, 50. And at some stage, these can come off very soon after. We'll just give them a chance to see if they're going to get filled. Come on, where are you going? I'd be putting shorts on now if I had no positions on a pullback like this. Bang, short. It's not far enough away from that, really. There we go, broken slightly lower again. Still continuing the downtrend, which is what we want to see. About another 5 pips lower, and we'll be out of most of ours. Then we've just got the 49s and the 46s to deal with. So we're just looking for it to grind lower. So you could probably get some shorts on now. There we go, that's a seller. Bang. Here we go, grinding it down another pip. Wouldn't have been a bad place to close out at. You might find it pulls back up here. What price was it? 54.1. It probably got 54.5. And there you go. You could get them back on at 55s, 56. Right. Let's see if there's another seller. Pulling back. So, sellers up there at 58. Basically. Let's see if they're getting tested again. Yeah, so what was that there? 54.1. He probably could have got 54.5. Wouldn't have been a bad close for those two. Anyway, there we go. Just selling off. Any seller's going to sell into this? I mean, you'd be selling now 55.7 with a view to maybe closing at 53 to break this 54 level. Maybe a bit lower. So 56 offered. Right, back down here again. 55s. See if we can get into the 54s. 55.1. very close to where it was before. Right, where's the next leg lower? Yeah, just grinding off. So I think 55 was the best we were offered. Yeah, that would have been there. Bang, 55.1 again. This looks like it's going to try and break lower. There's sellers there. Come on, get it lower. There we go. Breaking lower, 54.5. Which is all it managed last time. Lifted 0.4 of a pip. Yeah. Right, come on. Where are you going next? Where are you going next? I wouldn't have minded that 54.5 on those two. Put them back on at 56, 56.5. Yeah, it's having trouble with this, isn't it? 54. And it's having trouble breaking this 55s. Right. Let's see this drop lower. Where are the sellers? Come on. Should have had that, shouldn't I? Never mind. Yeah, look, 4 pips higher now. Bang. Sell up here at 58s again. I don't know whether they're going to break this 55 level. It might be. We'll see, but there we go. Sellers again. Where are you going? Grind this down. Is that it lifting off the bottom? Good. Let's see where the sellers are. Still 2 pips higher than I want it. But we've got to break this level. These buyers here. Right, where are you? Where are you going? But you see this just beginning to lift off the bottom. Not so much on the 10-second chart, but if sellers don't get it lower than that, then I'd say they're going to lift the price off the bottom for a pullback. 57. Come on, sellers, where are you? It's 5 o'clock, and I suppose most of London's going or gone home. Where are you going? Does this need a little bit of time to play out and grind lower? Or should we close those two out at a reasonable profit here? It's just grinding off the bottom, you see. It's coming up off the bottom. Now we're at 58. Good, 4 pips away. And you can see that's forming up above the trend line. And it's going sideways for a while, but we need someone who's interested in testing this 54 level and breaking it. And it might not happen. There's some sellers. Come on, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Are you going to have a run and break the 50 level, or at least test it? That is all I want to know. It's just grinding up off the bottom. It's going to get lifted off here in a second. Damn it. We missed that. Down there twice. Needed an order on the order book to catch that. I thought it might have gone through this 55 level and nearer to 50, but yeah, these are only round figures. They're only guesses as to where it can go. You see, very easy to trade in retrospect, but when it's live, it's not so easy. I'm looking for a seller to come in. The market's lifting off the bottom. Right, is this a seller? So I'm looking for the next leg down, basically. I'm looking for that next leg down here. It's like, these are just grinding a bit higher each time. That's slightly turning. But you've got to see this level broken. It's just slightly turning. Just slightly turning. But it's very subjective and there's very little in it. Yeah, get it down lower. Get it down lower. Where? So it's having trouble breaking 57 on the offer there. You'll see it will come down and hit 57. Oh, here we go. It's broken a bit lower. Good. Right. Can it break lower? Can it break lower and get this trend continuing? Can you form up down here? Come on. And it hasn't. Or has it? Oh, it's like, talk about game of cat and mouse. Come on. So basically, it's 4 pips off the bottom. Now it's testing 58s again. Yep, come on. Come on. So 57s. Can we get this into the 56s? It just struggles to break this level. It's getting lifted again. Damn it. So close to getting out of this. And it's just hesitating and messing around. Shows you I should have taken those and called it a day there at 54.5. If I could have got it. Right, 57.6. just need this to grind lower and come down here and test these levels again. Down here. Why? And this is just buyers and sellers fighting it out, and there's just not much business going on. There's just not much going on. Yes, finally. A bit of testing going on. Half a pip lower. Good. Let's see if they can continue this. Because if they can get it down to 54s, the people with the shorts on at 58 will be getting somewhere. And we might start seeing people put on shorts at 56s. Come on. Break lower. Just need that break lower. The joy of the Forex scalper trying to exit at a good price. So it is grinding off. We're getting there. 2 pips lower would be testing new ground. Here we go. It's beginning to test lower. Now, are you going to go and test this 54.5? She's just forming up below the trend line. Nicely. Come on. There we go. Yes. Yes, looking good. Just nicely forming up red here below the trend line. And just need it to keep testing lower. 55.3. Bang. 54.5. Tested. Right, we're on there and we're staying there. Now, that's interesting. It's the first time it's done that for a while. Go on, get down there and see. Because it stayed there that long, it didn't get lifted off by the buyers. Now, that's new. It's not getting lifted off here by the buyers. There we go. 50. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, sellers. You should be able to smell blood now. Come on. Come on. You've broken new ground. Yeah. Where is it? Here we go. 53.5. With a bit of luck, she'll grind down into 50s. Come on. Next leg lower. Grind a bit lower. You see the buyers aren't lifting it. 53s. Come on. Come on, my beauty. Could have got 53 there. 54. Now it's come up a pip. Now, where are the next sellers? Finally, we've had a bit of action. They got it down to 53. Come on. This is the game of cat and mouse if you're waiting for your maximum profits. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm very tempted to take this. I'd have been happy with 54.5 a while ago. Now I know I can get 53. We just need the sellers to step in again. Damn, lifted. It's very interesting that the buyers didn't lift that. Right, where are the sellers? Are we going to get 53 again? See, it's only half a pip on that one. Mind you, half a pip's half a pip. In the risk business, it's risk off. Oh, you're going down. Come on, where are the sellers? They're certainly. Well, the seller's going to wait for it to come out to 58. And that's not good. That's forming up above the trend line. Yeah, I should have taken 2 off down here at 53. Put them back on here at 58. I think we might take 53 on them next time. There we go. A few sellers. Let's see if we can get this filled. See if we can get that filled, then we've just got the last 3 to work our way out of. And then we might even take the loss on them. 53 would be tiny profit on that one. And it's grinding down. Go on. Might even go lower than that this time. I mean, we could take 51 on that. These are climbing again. So 58 to 55. Damn it. Now it's climbing off the bottom. This is why I should have taken 53 something down here. Could have gotten back on there, taken them off. put back on at 60. So should I have one on that? Right, where was that? And then that one at 60, I can take off at, where's that there? Yeah, that'll come off nicely there for a quick scalp. Might not get it, because if we're rising up off the bottom, it might not get down here again. Right, which one was it? That 156. Nearly a pip in profit, not enough. Come on. Come on, where are you going? Drop a bit more. So what did I want for that? 56. 2 pips out of it. Might get that. Damn it. Bouncing along the bottom. Where are the sellers? They were there a minute ago. Yeah. And this just forming up above the trend line, which I really don't like. We should have had that 80p there. Damn it. Anyway, it didn't reach as high this time, which is good. Let's hope this doesn't break higher. 50. 60, isn't it? I'm tempted to put another short on here, though. I've got 3 on, 6 on. And it's going to pull off the bottom for sure. Oh, the sellers up here at 60. Yeah, this might pull back to 75. And that's why I really should have taken either that or that. Because all those profits have bled away to nothing. And they could have been in the bank. There we go. That last one's gone. Damn it. Yeah, and it's still climbing higher. So where did it pull up to? 63. See, it's just rising off the bottom now. That downtrend's finished. And that was its last gasp. What surprised me about it was that it wasn't pushed off the bottom so quickly. I really thought it had a little bit further to go. Right. Right. Has it run out of steam? We've already got shorts on at this level. Mind you, if it starts falling down, we could get some more onto a falling market, but we've got to see that yet. And this just isn't going quite right. Damn it. Yeah, it's plateauing out here. This might this might fall from here. This might fall from here. Right. Finally, we're getting a bit of relief from this uptrend. Yeah, so look, that's this pulling back up to the line. We need it to fall again, but maybe it's not going as low as that. You'd hope that was selling off and the dollar was gaining strength, but it could be coming up off the bottom. Is that 53 all we got? Yeah, because look, in this hour it started 1700. That's the lowest it's been. And we're climbing. I mean, yeah, that's not a bad pullback on that downtrend. Is it going to form up again below here? That's your question. It all depends what it does around here. Whether this is going to form up below the trend line now. Lots of hard work in this and not a lot of money. Yes, we're beginning to boil over the top. Is it going to break through this trend line now and cut back down here and test? Could almost get a cheeky short on there. Another one. Not like we haven't got enough already. Bit slow though. See if it falls back. Just a bit. Yes, nice. Right, where was that one? There. Right, let's see this continue down here. I'll be gutted if this bounces off the trend line, but even if it just comes down enough off it, it'll do. Down. That's a better price to sell at. We just need it to fall from here. Forming up red here nicely. Need it to drop another 3 pips. 56, 55 and a half. They'll come off. That's all it managed earlier, this level. Which is when I should have closed that one. Right, where are you going next? You're going to grind down. Grind down some, right down. Grind down into the 40s. Bang, 2 pips on that one. Come on, where are you going? It is certainly taking its time to do anything. And we're coming up to 1800. Right, grinding lower. Was. Come on, where are you going? Damn it, you're forming up nicely below the trend line here. Need that to sell off. So where did it get? 56.7. Well, this is the market moving in waves, which is what it does. Now it's beginning to test this trend line, which I don't like. I want it to fall off from here, back down to here. And really, I'd like that candle red. Yes, that's more like it. Back down here, break this low. That's it. Now drop. It's hesitating around this level. Right, it's hesitating around this 58 level. Wonder why. Come on, drop away below the trend line. You've had a bit of a pullback. Drop away, form up lower. When this is the reality of watching charts unfold before your eyes, it isn't as simple as looking at back tests and damn it, now it's going against me. And it's beginning to form up above the trend line, which is just what I don't want. Good. Sellers. 56.8. Should have probably taken 57 on them just to get out of them. Not that I need to get out of them, but it's a question of reducing risk. See, closing out of them, that in the lot of this is just grinding off against me now. Damn it. That would have been a good little scalp there. Once again, I wasn't quick enough. Well, let's see if they get filled. No, I rather think they could go down to here, but because that's obviously where the buyer was, 55. Anyway, we haven't got down there, and well, that moment is past. You probably have to. Yeah, it's just forming up above the trend line. Oh, here we go. A few sellers. It's looking. It's looking like it's going all the way back up here. Now, if that turns here at 60s, lower than here, we might be getting somewhere. Hmm. Yeah, just grinding up. Damn it. Grinding up above the trend line. Should have closed both of them. Need to be quicker. I keep telling myself this and I don't do it. And I should have done it with those. I call myself a scalper, but I'm not scalping enough. Now, is this 60 level all this has got? And is it going to fall from here? Back down here. It's testing it. Testing. Where is this going? Right. Is that the plateau of 60? Right, which is looking likely. We're coming up to 1800, 6 o'clock in England. Most of the traders have finished in England for the day by now, I would have thought. I would have thought they're gone. So it's New York. Now, we've got 4 minutes to go before the hour. I mean, 4 pips lower and we'll get filled here. Yeah, this is activity before the hour. People getting orders on before the hour. We might get a good sell-off here. Come on. We could get a good little 10 pip run before the hour. It's happened many times. It's just hesitating, isn't it? I wonder if I should take those down one, just in case it spikes lower on the hour. There is just a good possibility of that. Anyway, we're not quite near there yet, but we're coming up to the hour. Look, 2.5 minutes to go. It's grinding off. We could well have these orders here filled. And it looks like it's going to grind lower before the hour. Come on. 2 minutes to go. Just going sideways, isn't it? Come on. Damn it. I really was thinking that might grind off. We could have had them filled. Right, 30 seconds to go. Price jumping around a bit. Market makers not wanting to give away cheap prices. Any second now. Right, now where's it going? Now where are you going? Are the sellers going to get stuck in and run it down? That's what I want to see. There's a few sellers out there, but it's tedious game, this one. We're up here at 61s again, and it looks like it wants to push higher. Right. There's a few sellers. There's a few more. Where's this going? Come on, you're going to get stuck in. Where are you going with this? Right. Beginning to look like sellers might have a go at running this. Tentatively. We're testing the trend line here. It's forming up below it here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on. God knows I've been in this long enough. It certainly hasn't turned out to be a scalp. Even these two quick ones I put on, I wasn't quick enough to take the profit like a fool. Come on, you've got to do something with this. I'd have thought it's got to drop sooner or later and test down here, down to 50. It's only 10 pips away. There we go. Someone's getting enthusiastic. We might get filled soon. 56 is 2.5 pips away. Let's see if these boys are going to break these levels. Oh, come on, don't get dragged off. You were doing so well. Come on. It can't hesitate round this level all day. It did look for a minute there like the sellers were going to actually do something. They are. 57.2, here we go. It's grinding off. Stands a good chance of forming up below the trend line now. We're getting a bit of a trend forming again, re-establishing itself. Where's the next sellers? Come on, sellers. I'd be putting some shorts on now. I've already got enough on, but this looks like it's going to break lower down to here and test this level. That's what it looks like to me. So 1.3 pips lower and we'll get filled. Come on, where are you going? Ugh. Right, now that's what you need to sell into. 58. There's your strength to sell into if you're a seller. Shows you, maybe I should have taken them off there and put them back on there. Had over 2 pips in that one. Come on. Ugh. God, we're not going to go range bound, do we? $57 to $60 range bound. Where are the sellers? Yeah, they're not bad prices to sell into. Not if you think it's targeting down here, 55. That's not a bad price to sell at. Come on. Come on, surely you've got it in you. I really did think that might develop into something. And we go, forming up below the trend line again. 57.5. Getting down to the similar levels we were before. Nearly at 57. Right, now then. Is that all the sellers have got, or are they going to break lower? I mean, last time we got 57s offered down here. And they didn't manage that this time. There we go. There we go. There we go. Breaking lower. Yes. Yes. Come on. Form up down here. So we're 0.6 of a pip away from getting those two filled, which is basically the next leg lower. Right, they're filled. So, next question is, where's it going to bounce? Should we take those off at 53? And to be honest, I think it might go through it. Not 54.2s. 53.7 it made there. We'd have got 54-ish. Right, come on, we're testing this. I think we could be down here to 50s. I really do. Right, in fact, I really think this might break to the next one. Come on. 53.7, break lower. 53.5. Break lower down to 50. Come on, you've got it in you. Just lifting a bit. Here we go, down again, 53.6. We're getting there. It's getting there. It just needs to drive lower down to 50s. Come on. Next leg lower. Or all the sellers, the buyers going to lift the sellers. Come on, it's there. This should break 50. This should continue on and break 50. Where are you? God, just lifting a bit. No, back down here. Good, good. Yes, breaking lower. Good. Come on. Break lower. Yeah, we're heading there. Break lower to 51.50s. Come on. You're getting there. You're so close. Break down. Come on. 52s. 52s. Now we need you in the 51s. We're grinding lower. Yes. Getting close to getting filled on 1, 2, 3 positions. Well, we were a minute ago. Come on. Next leg lower down to 50. We'll get them filled. 51.9 a second ago. Where's the next leg lower to 50? Here we go. 51.8. Just bumping around at the bottom here. Come on. Inching off the bottom. Come on. Next leg lower. Is it going to pull back from here? Is it going to come on? Next leg lower. Is it going to have a good pullback? Yes. Come on. Come on. 50s. Come on. Get into the 51s. I'm just wary that we're a long way from the trend line on this. Need about a pip lower. 2 pips will fill us. Might just need to make it a bit easier to fill. Damn it. It's pulled up off the bottom. Oh, so close. Right. Where's the next leg of sellers? Or is it going to have a pullback from this? Come on. Amazing how close that was to the take profit. Close, but no cigar. Right, where's the next leg of sellers? Right, 53.2. We could do this 3 pips lower, 4 pips lower. Come on. Here we go. A few more sellers. Come on, sellers. And there we go. Down into the 52s. We just need this to form up below the trend line. Down here we go. 52. Come on. Here we go. 51.9 at one stage. Getting there. We're inching our way there. The seller's gradually grinding it down. We just need that leg lower. 51.9, 51.8. Come on. You're so close. Next leg lower. There we go. No. Oh, lifting. Yes, getting very close. 51.6 at one stage there. It's just grinding lower. Come on. A few more and we'll be there. It's so close. We just need it to break that one leg lower. Yep, it's going. There we go, filled. So we need it. So we've only got, there we go, we've got another one filled. So all we're left with is the ones at 46, which we could take. We could take 48s for them. And I don't even know if we're going to get down here. Well, we should. 51.2, we're down here again. What did we get to? 50.7. Yeah, look, it's going to break 50. Here we go. Here we go. 50, 49. Come on. 2 pips lower and we'll be out of those. We'll be filled. 2 pips lower. 49.7. So close. Come on. Grind a bit lower. You've broken 50. You'll probably have a pullback from here. Come on. Break 50. Oh, we're hesitating. Come on. We just need the next leg lower. Next leg lower. And yes, come on, we're inching our way there. Inching our way there. Inching our way there. Come on. Half a pip lower and we're filled. Come on. Half a pip. Next leg down. Any second now with a bit of luck. Half a pip lower. Come on. Any second. Oh, pulling back. Yep. Inching there. Inching there. Inching. Yes. Yes. Any second now we'll get filled with a bit of luck. We just need another 0.1 of a pip and we'll be filled. There, filled. That is how you scalp. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like. Please subscribe. And please enjoy the channel.